Hi guys, and welcome back to LARTE Design YouTube channel, and this is another LARTE edition video. And in this video I would like to show you a special custom-made project for our client from Berlin for his Porsche Cayenne 2026. Let's have a look together. Look at this color. So now it is time to talk about this project in detail. And just like we always do in this video, I will also walk you through the whole upgrade project that we have done here in-house at LARTE Design in Germany. So it's time to talk about the front, the side and the rear appearance of this car. So let's begin. And now let's actually start talking about the front of this project over here. So together with our client, we actually prepared and made a lot of renders with our designer to see and find the best solution for this project. So as you can see, together with the client, we have decided to leave the hood in its original version, but on the button you will see now that this car has got a more aggressive and sporty look. So the stock Porsche is actually a smooth one in the front, but here, as you can see, the front bumper splitter in the button has changed this appearance quite a lot. So also on the top over here, we continued this massive profile and added these two pieces over here in order to match perfectly with the lower part. So how do you find this look now? Does it change the soft and smooth character of the Porsche Cayenne to the more aggressive one now? So I'm curious to hear your thoughts on this upgrade. So as we now continue talking also about the side of this car, you might have already noticed that on this project the client has decided to go for the glossy black upgrade. And as you can also see, this is almost a full upgrade here on this car, including all these side elements. So let me walk you through all of them. Also, as I would like to mention, this project is a completely special project as we worked together with the client and with our designer as a whole team, because the client was not really sure if he wanted to go for the carbon fiber project or for the glossy black one. So now you get to see what the client has finally decided to go for. And we start talking about the side arches on the rear side. On the rear part, as you can see, first of all, we've got here the three-piece side element. So first of all, have a look. We've got here the element in the body color, including the glossy black parts over here, which go all the way on the button and therefore highlighting and emphasizing this sporty profile of this Porsche Cayenne. And once we talk about the front, you can also see here's the black addition. So this was also the reason why the client has decided to go for the glossy black upgrade, just to match with the character of this Porsche Cayenne. And in the front, we've got even more side arch parts over here. As you can see, they're also in glossy black with an additional element over here in the body color. So also on the button, we've got the LARTE Design logo over here. And as you can see, this is quite a special solution paint-wise, and this is something what we can and would be happy to do together with you. And before we talk about the rear perspective, let me also show you something what we have done on this car from the side view. You can see we've got here the 22-inch LARTE Design special forged wheels. And as you can see, they are also shiny and also done in glossy black performance option, including these small elements here in the body color as well. So this is quite special and definitely adds a touch of elegance to your sporty Porsche Cayenne. And also, of course, the rear perspective on this car was also upgraded, and let me show you what we have done here. So as you can see, the original stock plastic rear bumper diffuser was completely replaced with the LARTE Design special rear bumper diffuser over here. It's also painted in glossy black option over here. It's also possible in the exposed carbon fiber appearance, so you can really decide what you like visually more, also what is more matching to your color of the car. And on this rear bumper diffuser, as you can already see, we've got also the special LARTE Design exhaust tips. Now these do not actually change the sound on the car, however they do change the visual appearance, as you can see. In addition to these exhaust tips, also on the back we've got special LARTE Design signature, which are here the special LARTE Design brake lights, which are, by the way, inspired by Formula 1. So this whole upgrade that you have just seen right here is not only about the visual appearance, but it's also about functionality. all the sensors on this car work as they're supposed to be. So this is also the main focus at LARTE Design, which is the engineering perfection. And what I would like to mention also here is that all the parts that you have seen again on this car have been certified according to TÜV Germany standards, and therefore we guarantee you also safety while driving this car.